VIOFO T130 triple channel dashcam, covering front, interior, rear recording, is specially designed for Uber, Lyft and rideshare drivers. Support up to 256 GB microSD memory card storage. Rotatable front lens allows you to always find an optimal view for any vehicle. Rotatable interior lens covers side window recording to protect drivers from any possible traffic disputes and fraud.
Recording, 3 channels started.
Voice notification gives you instant audio reminder of recording status, so you may stay focused and keep your eyes on the road. It has wide-angle view to capture enough details from all 3 channels. T130 is built with Sony IMX335 StarVis sensor, supporting Quad HD 1440p recording for the front and Full HD 1080p for interior and rear recording. To enhance night interior view, T130 adopts an OmniVision image sensor, which combines ultra-low light and near-infrared technology that performs much brighter than other dashcams. As mentioned earlier, the T130 has rotatable interior lens, and now you'll see how it helps you to record in unpredictable events. By one simple press on the Bluetooth remote control, you can also lock the current footage immediately.
Video protected.
Circular polarizing lens is also available for T130 to help remove windshield reflections and restore more pure images.
Wi-Fi enabled.
T130 has also built-in high-speed Wi-Fi connection to enable setting changes, video live view, download and share on the app end. Built-in GPS logger tracks your driving speed, time and location data, which can be vital evidence in insurance claims. T130 has 3 parking modes: auto event detection, low bit-rate recording, time-lapse. It protects your car 24 hours continuously with hardware kit installed. To summarize, T133CH dashcam features can just perfectly fits all Uber, Lyft, rideshare drivers' demands. T133 channel dashcam, cover your side window safety.